This is Grandpappy Point Marina's 1986 Carver 4207 aft cabin. This boat is in fair condition. She's been sitting for many years, although the marina has gotten the boat back up and running, and both engines run, generator runs. She's had a recent bottom job, new cutlass bearings, just the basics of what was needed to make the boat operate. She'll still be somewhat of a project, but overall in pretty decent shape. Here in the main salon, you'll see there's the isinglass enclosure is stacked up on the couch. What appears to be carpeting for the outside decks, the flybridge and the aft deck, although I've not put it in place. And the isinglass is cloudy. Any buyer's probably going to want to redo the enclosure on this boat. This is the non-dinette version of a 42 Carver aft cabin. Both heads have enclosed showers, vacuum flush toilets. Nice big aft cabin. And the masthead. The marina does own this boat, and we will be receptive to offers. If you have any questions or would like to arrange seeing this boat, please contact Rick Lemon at 903 814-3753. Thank you.